Hello, traders. This is addzeros. Hope you guys are doing really good today. You guys had a nice week of trading. Just wanted to do a quick recap and wanted to chat if you guys are available today. I had a wonderful trade on Amara, and I think I wanted to, help you understand that there's not always you need to see that if something is gapping down and you just need to trade on the downward trend. If you look at it, the 1 minute chart, let me show you here the 1 minute chart of the Mara on Friday, and the daily is also very important for you to see here, and you will see clearly on the 1 minute chart that it was really choppy, and I was not comfortable going on the short side given the daily. If you look at the daily, it seems to me that it is really extended. If I show you here, look at this, the daily here, and I was thinking that he's gonna have a support on the 50 moving average, which is at the time it was there. So I was expecting a bounce from the moving average, and when I went into the 1 minute chart, if you will see the visibility here, and the interesting thing you will note here that is clearly making the downward move, and then it start consolidating at this level. And what I realized that once it is going in this way, it's clearly make the bull flag on a 1 minute, move back up, touched this point, and it came down. And now you look at the 5 minute chart and you will realize and appreciate that how beautiful uh, was it. And it was really beautiful in a way that um, that it came down, crossed this 5 minutes, and I was really looking at it at how it's going to do, what is going to be the next piece is going to do. So it went back up, pull back, and made the bull flag here. And I say, if it's gonna go break this, the previous 5 minute candle and the previous this candle, it's really gonna give us a good opportunity for the long move. And at that time, the VWAP also very close to that too. So I realized, okay, this is a good chance. It's almost 30 to 40 cents risk, but has a momentum to go up tomorrow. The moment it break this candle and it's also break this candle, so it's basically a combination of both the candles. The moment it broke here and the make the bull flag on the 5 minute charts, I went long here and I waited what I need to do. This is really nice candle. It came back, tested this level, and I'm really happy with that. The moment it back up and it make this 5 minutes high and cross the whole number 39 and the cross the previous, the pullback. I basically went long. I added into my position here. Now I have a very good position, and I was expecting is to go over. I was not expecting really to go and test the pre-market. I was expecting it's going to test the opening at this point and gonna pull back or whatever we're gonna do. So I took my first partial out, and as it's moving up, I was basically taking the profit, and I'm almost closed my position on this side. But interestingly here, if you look at it, what he did is basically further consolidated, make another bull flag, and it went the pre-market high and touched the 200 moving average and came down back in. And I realized that this is very important to note that sometimes you will realize that these patterns will attract to the moving averages. Some people don't like to have those many, these many moving averages, but sometimes for profit targets and for other things, it is good to have those and to see that how the stock is reacting towards those, the moving averages. So over the VWAP, making a bull flag, a nice pattern going long, take the first profit when it touches the opening price of the day, and you can have a second target as a pre-market high, and you can touch all the way to the 200 moving averages. I didn't hold at the time. I just closed my majority of my position here on this doji in, because I was not expecting to have another bull flag after this nasty candle. But overall, it's a beautiful trade I had on the Friday, so I love that. So hope you have enjoyed that. I just wanted to try the new channel. Give me feedback that do you guys like for me to come over on the Facebook and do some live recap with you. If you enjoy, do subscribe my YouTube channel and also give me a thumbs up and give me some feedback that how did you like it. Thank you.